Ruben, have you ever had the sad occasion to walk out from from a restaurant or a shopping center or a store of some type and found that someone had rudely dinged or dented your vehicle?
Yes.
Ruben, how did that make you feel?
I felt real horrible at that time.
Ruben, did you Google nearest paintless dent repair facility near me?
No, it actually bothered me for the next few days, and I just let it go.
But you didn't look into getting it fixed?
I didn't because I thought it would be too expensive.
Okay. Any idea what it costs to have a dime-sized ding or dent fixed using the paintless dent repair process?
No, I'm not sure what that would be.
It'd be
How does it work?
$60-70, okay? Now, if it was a dent the size of a credit card, which is about the maximum dent that a paintless dent repair facility can fix, it might be up to $150, okay? But you didn't look into it like most people don't look into it. But you know, Ruben, you did end up paying for that ding or dent, you know?
How's that?
Well, Ruben, when you trade or sell your car, whether it's trading into a dealer or selling it outright, someone's going to look at that vehicle and they are going to assess the condition of it. And one of the things they assess are the number of dings and dents that you have. Because if it's a dealership like ours, well, we're going to have to fix all those dings and dents in order to resell the vehicle. If it's a consumer who's buying it from you, well, they're probably not going to want a vehicle that's terribly dinged and dented. And if they're going to buy it, they're probably going to get it fixed. So they're going to deduct from the value of your vehicle the cost of fixing those dings and dents. So while you obviously were mad when it happened, and I don't blame you, you didn't get them fixed like most people don't, but you ended up paying for them, or you will end up paying for them when you trade or sell your vehicle. Now, you're going to be glad to know that when you buy a new Ford from us, you get a complimentary for 1 year paintless dent repair policy. We will, during that time, fix an unlimited number of dings and dents for you, which is going to do a couple things for you. Number one, it's going to keep your car looking better. Number two, it's going to lower your cost of ownership because you're not going to have to pay for these repairs. And number three, your vehicle's going to be worth more when you go to turn it in or trade it or sell it, whatever you decide to do, because it's going to look better. So, remember, you get 1 year complimentary, and if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than a year, Ruben, check with one of our finance managers. What they'll do is they'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years. What's the difference between because Ruben gets it, but what was the difference between the way he communicated it to me and I communicated it to him?
More value built.
Say again?
More value built.
Certainly more valuable, more value built, yes.
It was interactive.
Did I keep him involved?
Yeah.
If there was a woman in this room, I don't even need a woman in the room. Who's married? Eric, what's your wife's name?
Anna Marie.
If I called Anna Marie and asked her this question, tell me what you think the answer might be. If I said, Anna Marie, my name is Steve Richards. I just met Eric, never had the pleasure to meet you, but I got a question for you. Have you ever had the occasion to be talking to Eric while he was staring you right in the eyes and him not hear a word you said?
All the time.
All the time. Exactly. By the way, can customers do that to us? If we don't keep them engaged, if we don't keep the conversation a conversation, they can be looking us right in the eyes, Ruben, and not hear a damn word we say. See, I was brought up in this business to make presentations. Present the vehicle, present yourself, present the dealership, present. Having a conversation is way more difficult. You have to be a much better communicator. But when you are, you'll create a whole lot more deliveries. All right? That's how I would create value in paintless dent repair if Ruben did not have a trade-in. If Ruben had a trade-in, where would the best place for me to be? Where would the best place be to create value in paintless dent repair?